Hello everyone, I'm Amanda with Martin Yale Industries, here today with Samantha, and we're going to unbox a P6200 letter folder. A few things about this machine while Samantha gets it out of the box. This unit will automatically fold 1 to 3 sheets of paper. It is a hand-fed model that can be used with standard 8.5 by 11 paper or A4 sheets. Handles paper from 16-pound bond up to 24-pound bond, so just a little bit heavier than your standard copy paper. And this is straight from our warehouse. So this is what you get when it comes out of the box. A couple of foam pieces, one on each side. And then your paperwork's in there. And then this white box is your power cord. This machine is very easy to use. It's very simple. There's not much to it. Now this machine only does a letter fold. It will not do anything else, and it's not adjustable. It's really handy to just sit on your desk when you have a letter to fold here and there. You can just pop it in this thing. And got it plugged in on the side. You just pick up your piece of paper, drop it in, and there's a sensor in it that automatically turns it on, so you don't even have to turn it on. Get a little bit closer on the top. There's an arrow on the top, so you can see, it makes it easier to see which slot to put your paper in. And just drop the paper in, it folds it together. That was 3 sheets. And then if we look at the bottom, there is a green plastic piece on the bottom. That's your paper stop, and that's what folds the paper, what bounces it back up into the machine. You can move that. This is how you adjust for 8.5 by 11 to A4 paper. But we do caution you, do not lose this piece of plastic. This is what makes the machine work. It does come in green. Sometimes they're blue or black. This is the paper or the de-jamming handle. If you turn it about a quarter turn, it'll pop off of there. And then on this end, this wheel will go on, and that attaches it to the rollers inside the machine. So if you have something jammed or gets stuck in there, you put that handle on the edge and you can turn the rollers manually inside the machine. And that way you don't have to take it apart to mess with it too much. But it just pops it in one side, out the other. These are also super easy to clean. There's 4 screws on the bottom on each corner. You take those pieces off, those screws out, and that top plastic cover will pop right off. And then you can have access to the rollers so you can clean it if you need to do that or any kind of maintenance on it. But that's it. That is our P6200 letter folder. And thank you for joining us this afternoon. If you would like more information on this machine or anything else, please reach out to us at 800-225-5644, or you can visit our website at martinyale.com, or you can always email us at info@martinyale.com. Have a great afternoon.